Hi, this is Rose Luna, and today I want to show you how to install the Google Translate Chrome extension. So you could just Google it here, or you could go up here to the top left and click on where it says Show Apps, and you can go to the web store, and we'll type in Google Translate. Here is the Google Translate Chrome extension. You click on the blue button that says Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and now you'll see up here on the top right is a blue and white icon that says Google Translate. That's how you know that you've installed it. Okay, so it's that easy. Once you have Google Translate, you'll be able to use all the great translating features for websites and more. So have a good day.